Despite one of the toughest winters in recent history, workers at CH2M Hill Plateau Remediation Company reduced risk and successfully advanced Hanford cleanup in the second quarter. Our workers' outstanding safety and health culture has earned our company the recommendation for continued VPP Star status through the end of the current contract from DOE headquarters. Hanford's groundwater treatment program is crucial because it is one of the last lines of defense and protection of the Columbia River. Near the Columbia River in the 300 area, just north of the city of Richland, crews significantly decreased uranium levels in groundwater. Now workers will incorporate lessons learned for a second phase of this project.
We're injecting phosphate into these wells so we reduce risk into the Columbia River. It is important because of the people that live close to this area.
Workers at a facility that stores more than 1,900 highly radioactive capsules completed final preparations to finish the last phase of hot cell grouting to stabilize legacy contamination. CH2M hit a major milestone in the effort to remove highly radioactive sludge away from the Columbia River. Workers just completed installation of sludge removal equipment that will be used to remove highly radioactive sludge that is currently stored in the concrete basin. The plutonium finishing plant is progressing demolition. During the second quarter, crews completed demolition of the americium recovery facility, also known as the McCluskey Room. Made significant progress demolishing the plutonium reclamation facility and advanced demolition preparations inside the main facility. Here at 61810 Burial Ground, workers have completed remediation of 80 low-level vertical pipe units. These VPUs are essentially stacked drum casings, welded together, buried vertically. Crews will continue cleanup by remediating an additional 14 VPUs in the upcoming months.
We didn't have any slowdown in the work at all. We're on track to meet the scheduled requirement for completing this work, reducing the risk to the environment and to the public.
The environmental restoration and disposal facility is vital to site cleanup operations. During the second quarter, the site's regulated landfill received more than 33,000 tons of waste and coordinated 18 special shipments that required road closures. CH2M is making progress towards removing highly radioactive soil from beneath the 324 building. Workers began a mock-up of a steel-lined concrete pad. This will be used to test a saw for future use inside the 324 building. This will improve employee safety and help train the workforce on this challenging project by making sure the equipment works before deploying in a high radiation environment. CH2M workers generously support our community throughout the year. Employees plunged into the chilly Columbia River for Special Olympics.
And it's for a great cause. It's for wonderful kids and people to get an opportunity to go out and compete. They're the real heroes.
Showed appreciation for our armed forces at a special Tri-Cities Americans game. And bowled for junior achievement. And here's to another quarter of our workers strengthening our community by reducing risk and advancing cleanup on the Hanford site.